Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. 4 months ago, we told you about an issue we were having with the malfunction of a device attached to your water meter that transmits hourly water usage. Well, a contractor has started replacing those devices. Water meters are working properly. The issue was with this gray box, which is attached to the meter. It uses a radio signal to electronically transmit meter readings. A company called Pedal Valves is in our community replacing the units. Each job only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. 5 to 7 days after the unit on your meter is replaced, you should be able to view your daily water usage online at Plano.gov/WaterBill. All Pedal Valves workers will carry proper identification. All faulty units should be replaced by early 2026. There will be no disruption to your water service or change on your bills. The city is replacing the units at businesses. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.